Have you ever thought about what happens to your body when you start taking omega-3 every day for 30 days? Or even eat more fish rich in omega-3? Did you know that this simple nutrient can transform your health? It's true. In this video, I will talk all about omega-3, especially for those who have fatty liver. Can omega-3 make it worse or better? What is the best time to take omega-3 to ensure the maximum benefits? What are the 7 main benefits that omega-3 brings to your health? And most importantly, are there any risks associated with taking omega-3 capsules? Yes, there are, and almost no one talks about them. Perhaps omega-3 isn't ideal for you. So stay until the end to find out all the details before rushing to the pharmacy to buy it. And if you still decide to buy it, how do you know if the omega-3 is of good quality? How many capsules should you take per day? And what's better, eating sardines or taking fish oil capsules? You might be surprised. Curious? Then go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss health tips, and hit the notification bell for updates. Also, share this video with your friends and family because when it comes to your health, it's worth spreading the word. And tell me, have you ever taken omega-3 capsules? Did you notice any difference? Or do you prefer eating more fish? Where are you from? Let me know in the comments. What happens when you start taking omega-3 daily for 30 days? Now let me ask you, do you think you consume enough omega-3 in your diet? Omega-3 is an essential fatty acid, meaning it's very important for your body but can't be produced naturally. It has to come from your diet. There are 3 main types of omega-3: EPA, DHA, and ALA. Plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, spinach, and Brussels sprouts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Animal sources like deep-sea fish, tuna, mackerel, salmon, sardines, anchovies, and cod are rich in EPA and DHA, while ALA can be converted to EPA and DHA. The efficiency of this conversion varies from person to person. The most reliable way to get EPA and DHA is by consuming them directly, rather than depending on the body's conversion process. So let me ask again, do you consume enough omega-3? The reality is that about 70% of the global population doesn't get enough, and this is made worse by the imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 in modern diets. Benefits of omega-3, the top 7 for your health. 7th benefit, eye protection. Omega-3 helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a leading cause of blindness in adults. Studies show that people with higher omega-3 intake have up to a 30% lower chance of developing this condition. It can also lower the risk of elevated eye pressure, which leads to glaucoma, and prevent dry eye syndrome. 6th benefit, brain health. The brain is composed of 60% fat, and DHA is essential for brain health. It helps brain cells function better, improves signal transmission, protects against oxidative damage, and supports neuroplasticity, meaning it helps you learn new things throughout life. Omega-3 can also boost mood, helping with anxiety, depression, and even cognitive decline. 5th benefit, lower triglycerides. If you have high triglycerides, increasing omega-3 intake, whether from foods like chia, walnuts, and fish or supplements, can help reduce them. This also lowers the risk of fatty liver, pancreatitis, and atherosclerosis. 4th benefit, reduced inflammation. EPA, a form of omega-3, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce joint pain, sensitivity, and stiffness, especially in people with rheumatoid arthritis. It can also lower the need for anti-inflammatory medications. 3rd benefit, lower blood pressure. Studies show that omega-3 rich diets, like the Mediterranean diet, help lower blood pressure, especially in people with moderate to severe hypertension. 2nd benefit, better skin health. Omega-3 improves skin health by positively affecting the gut-skin axis. It regulates oil production, improves hydration, reduces signs of aging, and helps with acne and dermatitis. First benefit, reduced risk of heart disease. While consuming omega-3 rich fish has been shown to lower the risk of death from heart disease, fish oil supplements haven't shown the same benefits. However, high-potency omega-3, available by prescription, has been proven to reduce cardiovascular events significantly. Risks and how to choose a good omega-3 supplement. Unfortunately, there are risks associated with omega-3 capsules, such as an increased risk of atrial fibrillation, a heart rhythm disorder common in older adults. Omega-3 can also interact with blood thinners, birth control, and may cause reflux, nausea, or skin irritation. If you still decide to buy it, here's a tip. Choose capsules and opaque bottles to avoid light oxidation. Check the expiration date, and aim for at least 1,000 milligrams of combined DHA and EPA per day. To improve absorption, take omega-3 capsules with meals. Did you enjoy this video? Remember to share it to spread the word and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. See you in the next video.